Hey people, just a quick update. This is the replacement what I've received, and this is beautifully lined up. Both sides are just nice and tidy as it should be. You can see here. And I do know what's actually happened with the other one. I'll share that with you very shortly, but as you can see here, it's nicely flat both sides. In terms of the other one, what we've established is that this is where the top part is. It's upside down because it's getting packed. This is where the raised bit was at the back. Funny angle. It seems that it's been dropped during transit, because when you look at the foam, that's crushed. The foam itself is crushed, as you can see. So that was actually not a manufacturing issue. Thankfully, it was a transit issue where somebody's not sort of been careful and they've dropped it. Hence the reason why there's damages that what I've pointed out on my last video. But yeah, there we have it. That's all. Good to know that DeLonghi is sort of carrying out thorough check on the quality control side of it, because it was a bit of a worrying thing that you're spending decent money on these radiators and they're back to the 10-year warranty, but surprisingly enough that the quality was appalling. But yeah, I guess I was wrong, but I couldn't have known that until I've had this replacement one. But yeah, there we have it. So yeah, thumbs up to DeLonghi for sort of producing these. I've got two of them. One large one downstairs and one upstairs, so I've got to give them thumbs up that it wasn't their fault. It was most probably some idiot in the courier service that I've actually mishandled, or it could have happened in the factory. But more than likely, I'll take me guesses, and it will be the courier services that I've actually dropped and mishandled the package, going off my past experiences. So yeah, there we have it. That's all. Take care, guys, and speak to you soon. Peace.